Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yup, yup, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, 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 the cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What? She's on fire. This is one of the first videos that I'm actually doing a voiceover at the suggestion of someone. So we're going to start off by slicing up all of our vegetables into long slices to make the fajita. What we want to do is slice everything, remove the insides, and slice everything into long slices. Put on the vegetables to the side and let's season the shrimp. In a bowl, you have peeled shrimp. Let's put some garlic powder, cumin powder, and chili powder. This will give it a nice Mexican flavor. What I want to do is coat it with olive oil, mix it all in. This will make it easy for you to sear the shrimp when you're ready to fry it. So now we're going to take the steak and take a clean kitchen towel and try to dry it out. This will help it to get a nice sear and not steam up when you're cooking it. Then we're going to slice it and coat it with a good rub and some sea salt. Use any steak seasoning that you may have. Remember, we already coated the shrimp with olive oil. I like to spread them around the frying pan in a hot pan. If they're too close together, they could steam cook. So when you get a nice sear, it should take less than a minute on each side, or up to 2 minutes. Then you can stir fry it and remove it from the pan. After removing the shrimp, some of the seasoning from the shrimp may be left in the pan. Don't clean it. Just add the vegetables so that you can pick up some of that seasoning when you're stir frying the vegetables. You may add a little bit of seasoning, not too much, because you want the flavor of the vegetables to come through. We're going to go ahead and assemble this and add some mozzarella cheese. We're going to put it in the microwave just to allow it to melt a little bit. And meanwhile, we're going to warm up some tortilla bread to serve yourself. Just make service for two. Warm tortilla bread, sit it to the side, and you can grab pieces of it and eat the fajita with the tortilla.
A few moments later.